In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Google form on mobile. So perhaps you are on Google Drive on their app, and if you click on the plus icon, you may notice that there is no Google Forms button. Now, maybe you've checked this already, or maybe you're just unsure on how to do it in general. So we can't actually do it inside of the Google Drive app, so don't go downloading that. Instead, open up a web browser and just search for Google Forms. Now, once you've done that, there'll be a couple of results. You want to click on the Google Forms sign-in window, and then once you've done that, it will take you over to Google Forms. Now, if you click on the form icon in the top left-hand corner, it will take you back into My Drive, and here you'll be able to see all of your Google Forms, but we're actually creating a new one from scratch, which is what you came for. So I would change untitled form to a relevant title. This will be seen, so I'm going to put here tutorial. Then you can change again the title if it doesn't update, and also add a description. Now, the most important part obviously are the questions. So the first question, you can click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to open this window, and it's going to give you the option to change the answer from multiple choice to short answer, paragraph, checkbox, drop down, or even allow people to upload files. Now, I'm going to click short answer, because for question number 1, I'm going to ask here, what is your name? You can also click on the image icon in the top right hand corner, and that will allow you to upload images to go to this Google form if it is relevant. So here you can see we've got what is your name. I'm going to make sure this is required by checking this box. Now, once we've done that, we want to look at the bottom of the page. And here, if you look at the bottom left, you can see there is another plus icon. If you click on that, a new question is going to open. Here again, we just go through the process we just did. So I'm going to put here, where are you from? And maybe I want this to be a multiple choice or a drop down. So we'll choose multiple choice. And then here I'll just put some options. I'll put UK, and then we can change other to USA. And then you can obviously add as many options as you want. I'm going to make this required. Now, if you wanted to move questions around, if you go to the top of your question bar, there'll be 6 dots. If you hold down on those 6 dots, you can then move your questions up and down. So now we've got where are you from at the start and what is your name at the bottom. Now you've got other things like if you look at the bottom of the page, right, you've got text, you've got file upload, you've got image, video, and you've got some sections. To be honest, you don't need to go crazy with trying to make this super advanced. I'm just going to delete these sections that I created. If at any point you do mess things up though, you can just undo it within around 5 seconds. Now, to be honest with you, I would only create Google Form on your mobile if that's the only device you have. It's much easier on the computer. But once you've created your form, if you want to share it, you can get the link by clicking this link icon. So the link icon will be at the top. Once you click on it, it's going to say that it's unpublished. You can go ahead and publish this form. And here you can see anyone with the link. You can also change this so it is restricted, or you can change it so you can remove the link completely. And the only way you can share it is by adding people and inviting them through this box. For most of you though, what I would do is go to responder view and change it to anyone with the link. And now anyone with the link to this form can go ahead and fill it in. And you're going to be able to see your responses here in the responses section. So once you go back to your form, which you'll find in Google Drive, you can then click on responses, and then you will see all of the responses to the questions. So I hope that quick video did help you out. Let me know if it was missing anything or you need any more info. Thank you for watching.